In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the Threads shortcut on your Instagram profile. If you want a cleaner Instagram profile or simply don't want the Threads shortcut to appear, the good news is that this is a quick setting you can change directly from your account in a web browser. I'll walk you through the process step by step so it's easy to follow. To begin, open Google Chrome and go to Instagram.com. Once the site loads, make sure you're signed in to the Instagram account where you want to remove the shortcut. After you're logged in, look toward your profile area and click your profile to open your account page. This is where you'll be able to access the settings related to how your profile appears. Once you're on your profile, find and click the Edit Profile option. This will take you to the page where Instagram lets you manage your profile details and visibility settings. Depending on your screen size or browser window, the layout may look slightly different, but the options should still be clearly labeled. Now, on the Edit Profile page, look for the setting called Show Threads Shortcuts. Take a moment to read it carefully so you're selecting the correct option. This toggle controls whether the Threads shortcut is displayed on your Instagram profile. If the toggle is currently on, that means the shortcut is visible to people visiting your profile. To hide it, simply turn off the toggle. After you switch it off, the setting will be updated on the page, but you're not done just yet. To make sure the change actually applies to your account, look for the Submit button and click it to save your changes. This is an important final step because if you leave the page without submitting, your update may not be saved. Once you click Submit, Instagram should apply the new setting and the Threads shortcut will no longer be shown on your profile. If you don't see the change right away, try refreshing the page or reopening your profile in the browser to confirm the update, and that's it. That's how to hide the Threads shortcut on your Instagram profile using Chrome. If you ever want to show it again later, you can return to the same Edit Profile section, find the same toggle, turn it back on, and submit the change.